Alzheimer's disease affects communication between family members and relatives with Alzheimer's. You as a family member can adjust your communication to meet the needs of your relative with Alzheimer's disease and to meet your own needs. We present evidence-informed suggestions to enhance your communication for relatives with Alzheimer's disease. Several of these strategies come from a program developed by Professors Jeff Small and Joanne Perry called Training in Communication Enhancement for Dementia, the TRACED program. The strategies are a combination of compensatory approaches and connecting techniques. Useful compensatory strategies are: number 1, use one idea per sentence. That is, use only one verb. For example, I moved the telephone to the bedroom. Versus, I moved the telephone from the kitchen and placed it in the bedroom. Number 2, ask questions that limit demands on recent memory and provide options for answering. For example, do you want to read the newspaper? Versus, did you read the newspaper this morning? Number 3, speak at a normal rate using regular, not exaggerated intonation. Number 4, eliminate distractions. That is, sounds, sights, or smells that do not go with what you are saying or writing. Useful connecting strategies are: number 1, encourage. Support participation through prompting and cueing. For example, get the pea soup from the shelf right here. Good for you. You got all of the grocery items on our list. Number 2, invite. Offer choices and preferences. For example, do you want to go for a walk on the trail or go for a drive in the car? Number 3, facilitate. If they struggle with conversational responses, try supplying a possible answer. For example, maybe we to tell her, you know? Do you mean we should call her? Yes. Number 4, orchestrate. Provide guidance to assist in activities. For example, if they forget where to place a dish, provide a demonstration. Number 5, partner. Draw on shared memories, telling stories with sentences containing simple grammar and one idea. Do an enjoyable activity together. These strategies, among many other useful ones, can be beneficial to your relative with Alzheimer's disease and to your family members. For additional education and training on how to communicate effectively using person-focused strategies, please contact the Alzheimer's Society of Canada or your local provincial or municipal chapters of the Alzheimer's Society. We all strive to improve the quality of life for our family and friends who have Alzheimer's disease, because we care, and they need us to care.